crime group o sa cybercrime division. Kung naalala ko lang, kasi matagal na po yun eh, kung ano yung nasa record. I think itong Great Correction ko is but hindi first time, doon ko lang na-experience.
At gaano katagal mo kayo parte nitong cybercrime division? Nalipat?
Since 2018, magsimula ako bilang investigation agent. And then, in 2022, I was designated as Chief of the Digital Forensic Division, and in 2023, designated as Chief of the Cybercrime Division.
So more than 5 years kayo nandito sa cybercrime division. That's all the Mr. Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Senator Judge Erickson. Senator Judge Tulfo Irwin is recognized. You have 2 minutes, sir. You may proceed when you're ready.
Thank you, Mr. President, Presiding Officer. I'd like to direct my clarificatory question to the witness on the stand, as a Presiding Officer. Attorney Jeremy Lonto, what findings, if any, convince the NBI the motive of the respondent to kill the President and 2 other people? Meron pong ba kayong nakitang motibo? Kasi maaari po sabihin lang ng isang tao na sobrang galit niya, napag-usapan na po kanina yan, di ba? Spur of the moment. Pero did you find any motive? Bakit niyo po gagawin patayin ang Pangulo?
Yes, Your Honor. As I've said before, when we take into consideration all the facts and circumstances surrounding the
MRT po.
MRT. Nagkaroon ng hindi magandang relasyon ng dalawa, and then nagbato na ang Vice Presidente ng mga salitang nabibigat sa Presidente na pinapakita doon sa October 18 na toxic na yung relationship nila. Galit na galit si Sara dahil sinasabi ng Vice Presidente is politically motivated yung paggawa sa kanya, and then at the same time pinapatutunan siya ng gobyerno. So then na-trigger ko yun, if I'm remembering serves ko right, yung incident nangyari 25 November 2024. So parang parang ako siya yung emotion na issue. So nakita ko namin talagang galit ang Vice Presidente sa Presidente.
Okay, so you saw that the Vice President is very angry, right? Galit po siya. Did the investigation uncover any evidence, if there's any, that the respondent had taken steps to carry out these threats, these statements that she made in public, online,